What's up, guys? This is Stacker Factor. It is Tuesday, October 14th, 2025. Welcome back to the channel. I had a nice long 3-day weekend, good Columbus Day, and I got off pretty early today. So I'm happy. I got some shiny in the mail. Silver is sitting at $51.43. Gold is at $4,141. And platinum is sitting at $16.35. So the metals are looking good. We're going to see some volatility over the coming days and weeks, I am sure. All right, so here we go, guys. Let's see what we got in here. No personal information. Good. Got some interesting news today. There is a drug called finasteride, and a lot of people take it for hair loss, but scientists have just linked it to depression and suicide. So if you're taking that, yeah, be aware that there are side effects. Hair loss sucks, but, it's not worth losing your life over. A lot of people are just going to Turkey these days and getting the Turkish hair transplant, so I heard that's not that expensive, actually, like under 10 grand. So good stuff there. Whew, okay, this was packaged quite well. Not sure what's in here, but I do have the Sigma fired up so we can test whatever it is. There we go. Let's get this knife out of the way. The stock market's been doing some crazy things, guys. Check that out if you want to see a real wild ride. I got some stocks and yeah, it's crazy. Okay, so this package had some cool stuff in it and I kind of forgot that I ordered it. So I usually remember, but what did we get here? Oh, that is cool. Look at the field of this coin, guys. That is so cool. It's some kind of unicorn. It is a Scottish unicorn. I do not have one of these. It has some kind of little privy or mint mark there. This is cool. This is real cool. Okay. It is from Nui, or at least made for Nui. And yeah, absolutely beautiful coin. Sheesh. Cool. Let's see what else we got. This packaging is interesting. I like it, but it's different. It's different. This seller definitely knows how to ship, though. Like you guys saw, this was packaged well. It is a rainy day today, so I have this beautiful soft light, and I can get some great details. I feel like this camera is a little choppier than my old iPhone, but I can get a lot closer with this one. So if you're not watching this on 4K, hit that button and peep this, because this is cool. This is real cool. Whoa, are these actual... They're made by the New Zealand Mint. I don't think they're coins, though. They're not coins, but they're definitely collectible and pretty cool. I like that they're just the generic MLB and don't have a team. And finally, guys, I got something from my mom. Yes, I'm a mama's boy, a grandma's boy. This is pretty freaking cool here. NR Lafayette, Indiana. And there we go. 39's fine. The seller that I bought this from actually made this key. I will link him. Oh, whoa, he put a weight on it. That's cool. 36 grams. I will link him in the description because this is a really cool piece. This is absolutely beautiful. And to have a solid silver skeleton key is really, really cool. So I'm not sure how many troy ounces 36 grams is. I am so bad with math. And then there's the English system and the metric system and the whatever system. So we're just going to call it 4.5 ounces here. This was a cool little haul. Definitely brightened up my rainy, cloudy day. Car prices, guys, have skyrocketed. The average car now has a selling price of $50,000 in America, which is crazy. That's worth twice of my car. And I mention that because I am going to be in the market for a new car soon. My lease is going to be up. I drive a little Honda little Honda SUV, and I want to get something nice. I bought that car because I was stacking really heavily at the time, and I didn't want to make car payments because I wanted to buy a lot of silver and stocks and other things, assets. But now, you know, I'm feeling a little spoiled. I might want something like one of those little Porsche Macan SUVs or one of those little Jaguar SUVs. I don't know yet. I could just stay cheap, stay with Honda or Toyota or something, you know, with like a $300 monthly payment, and then keep stacking more. That's always exciting. I have to lease because of the way my business is set up. It's more beneficial to lease than to buy. That's why I don't buy. And yeah, we'll see what's out there, guys. I really like those C8 Corvettes. I think that's the best car ever made for the price. Those things are so overpowered. They're basically like Ferraris with a Chevy badge. But yeah, I don't feel like paying the insurance on a sports car or the gas on a sports car as much as I like those. But yeah, guys, let's test some of this stuff and then we'll get out of here. I do have more medals coming. I have no clue when they're going to get here. Hopefully the rain and the storms don't delay stuff. Oh, let me get this into focus here. This is one of those baseball coins. Let's check our dimension. And there we go. It is dead on. Boom, boom. Cool. And I'm going to check this Scottish unicorn here. I don't know how to test this key. We can try it, but it's probably going to have some pretty wacky dimensions there on the test when it goes through it. This one is in the middle there. It's just hard to see it with the angle. So that is good. Now we know this thing is 36 grams. So let's put 36 grams in here, total weight. And let's try this on like a flat section of the key here. Let's try it like right there. Yeah, this is gonna be super hard to test. We could try it on the trunk of the key there. No, it's just gonna confuse the machine. Let me try one more. Yeah, I can't get it on there. I'm just gonna have to take the seller's word that this is real silver. I mean, are you guys gonna say it's not? Because it looks like silver to me. Feels like silver, and this guy has a store where he makes stuff, so I think it's real silver. And yeah, guys, another good haul. I will be back with you soon, hopefully tomorrow, wherever you are. If it's raining or snowing, I hope you're staying warm. And if it's bright and sunny, I am envious because you know, I shouldn't say that. I like the rain, guys. I like the rain. It is quite beautiful out there right now. So I'm gonna let you guys all go. Thanks for watching me. Love each and every one of you. As always, keep on stacking. This is Stacker Factor signing off.